So in this video, I will show you how to generate unlimited videos using Google AI Studio text video generator. Now go to your Google Chrome and sign up with your account, and it will take you to this page. Now once you're here, go over to video gen and click on video gen. Now you'll be taken to this interface. You go ahead and type in or paste in your prompt so your video can be generated. Now you can do something like a monkey shooting a gun, and then you can come over to your right hand side and then run some settings. Now you can choose the number of images you can generate, the number of videos you can generate at a time, but I'll leave it at 1. Then here you can choose your aspect ratio. Is either you are using horizontal, which is 16 by 9, or you're using vertical, which is 9 by 16. Then you can choose your video duration. If you click, you'll be given the chance to select 7 seconds, 6 seconds, and 5 seconds. So I will leave it at this 8 seconds. Then go ahead and leave every other thing like this. If you have a negative prompt, what you don't want to be included in the video, you can go ahead and type it here. Now once you are comfortable, you can click on run. Now if you have an image reference, you can go ahead and click here and then add the image as a reference. But if you don't want, you can just leave it this way. Then go ahead and click on run. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Very good. So this video has been generated, so let us play it and watch. So as you can see, this is the video you just generated, and then you can also generate another video. Let's try another video and see. A cat running from a rat. Then just leave the settings as it is and then go ahead and click on run. Okay, so this video is ready to be played, so let us go ahead and play it and see. Right, so this is it. Right, so this is AI. You don't normally get what you want, but you can keep generating so that you can get the correct thing you are looking for. Remember that we typed a cat running from a rat, but if you watch the video very well, there was a point where the cat was even chasing the rat. So that is that. So once you are comfortable with your videos, you can go into a video editing software like CapCut or Filmora or InShot and then combine your videos. This tutorial is only to show you how you can get unlimited videos using Google AI Studio. And if you want me to make a tutorial on how to generate these videos and then edit them into CapCut or any other video editing software, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next video.